In this video, you will learn how you can create a process landscape in ADONIS. Let's say a process landscape for Human Resources Department is missing from your process map. Click on Plus New to create a new model. Choose Process Landscape. First, give your model a name. Select the process element from the modeling bar and place it into the editor. Create a few processes that occur in your department. Provide name for your processes. You can align objects vertically or horizontally and reposition them by dragging. Use the aggregation item from the modeling bar to group your processes. Reshape the aggregations as you see fit. Double-click an aggregation to open its notebook and assign it an appropriate name. Then, head to the representation section and set your preferences. Add some space if needed. Now, you can add a title to your model. Switch back to your process map. Double-click on the process to open its notebook. Link the process to the one you have just created. Now, the link will take you directly to the process landscape of your department. Have a look at the ADONIS online help for more information.